Myself is Vishnu Datta from ITC Kolkata Complex. Today I will give a training how to clean the vacuum cleaner. These are the vacuum. Two vacuums we have arranged. One I will teach the trainee how to do the clean the vacuum, and another is for the trainee. He will show us how he have learned this thing. These are the garbage bag where we will show the dust. These are the direct spray to disinfect the vacuum cleaner and the brushes. Now I will call my trainee whom I will teach. This is Surajit.
Namaste sir.
He is my trainee. So, how are you, Surajit?
I'm fine sir.
Yesterday we have learned about
The garbage segregation.
garbage segregation. So, what are the garbage segregation you have learned about? What are the bins?
Sir, we have 5 bins total.
Okay.
The first one is green one.
Right.
That is uses for biodegradable and recyclable.
Okay.
And after that we have red one. That is uses for non-biodegradable and non-recyclable.
Very good.
And yellow one is for recyclable but non-biodegradable.
Very good.
And the blue one is for sir plastics. And black one is uses for sir multi-layer plastic.
Very good. So we have learned about the garbage segregation. Today we learn how to clean the vacuum cleaners, right?
Yes sir.
One vacuum cleaner is kept for myself. I will show you how to clean the vacuum cleaner, and next one you will show us what we have learned. Right?
Yes sir.
We have garbage bag, we have direct spray, we have brushes. So right, let's start. We know the vacuum. First we should know what the vacuum cleaner is used about. Vacuum cleaner name is, there are two types of vacuum cleaner. One is wet, another is dry. When we are using the vacuum cleaners, always keep it in mind that never ever use the dry vacuum cleaner on the wet surface. Wet surface means if there is water is lying on the floor, never ever use this dry vacuum cleaner on the wet area. Whenever you are using this vacuum cleaner on the wet area, it will suck the water and it will damage the motor. Okay?
Yes.
So never ever use this vacuum cleaner to the wet area. Wet vacuum cleaner is to use for the suction of the water. When there is carpet got wet or any water excess of water is there, we suck the water with that wet vacuum cleaner. But this vacuum cleaner is only for the dry dust. Right?
Yes.
This is the brand. This is the Tusky is the main brand, and the Aero 15. Aero 15 plus is the main brand of this vacuum cleaner.
Yes.
Right? What do you understand with this 15? 15 is the capacity of the vacuum cleaner. Capacity means how much dust it can conserve, right? So when we are doing the vacuum cleaner, we should before using the vacuum cleaner, we always see the safety measurements. What are the safety measurements? We have to check whether these plug points are in good condition or not, whether this vacuum cleaner is in good condition or not. If you see that the plug these pins are having some issues, before using this vacuum cleaner, we should check whether these plug points are in good condition or not. So if you see that when you are going to start the vacuum cleaner and you are pushing the plug point in the holder, if it gives a sparkle or of fire or something like that, never ever use this vacuum cleaner. Always take it out and highlight this thing to the engineering department or to call the electrician, right?
Yes sir.
As well as if when you are seeing this vacuum cleaner has any broken part, always highlight this thing. Never ever use this vacuum cleaner if it is in broken condition. Otherwise, it will damage the whole vacuum cleaner, right? Okay. Now we will see how to open the vacuum cleaner and clean the garbage bags. There are two buttons over here. One side is this way, another is opposite. Thus opposite there is also another button. Just pull it like this way and just take it out. We open the vacuum cleaner, right? This way we will open the vacuum cleaner. Now there is a dust bag. First of all, we have to clean this dust bag with the brushes. Right? Now take the garbage bag. No. Okay, hold on. Take the garbage bag and hold the dust pan over here and pour the garbage bags as much as it can so that the dust should not come out. Right? Now this way you will brush the cap like this way. So it got clean. Now we'll place it back. There is another filter over here in this vacuum cleaner. This line over here. This is the main filter, right?
Yes, sir.
Just push it and it will come out like way. And now push this one. This one. Okay? These are the two sponges which are kept as a, these are the known as the protector. This protector has to be cleaned with these brushes so that the dust should not accumulate over here. Clean the dust. Pads like this way. Hold on. This pad is also should be clean like this fashion. Brush it up. Now there is a, hold on. There is a cap over here. Recap this thing. This belt. Place it back in nice manner. Now hold this one. We'll spray a little bit of Virex to disinfect the thing. Now we'll take a discard and clean this dust in the whole manner. So why we are using this Virex? So that it can disinfect also, right?
Yes.
Good clean. A little bit of Virex on the top of the cloth so that we should not wet the machine over here. We should not spray directly on the machine.
Yes,
We will take the Virex spray on the discard and we will clean it out so that it should not damage the machine. Right?
Yes.
Clean it up very well manner. Okay. Now we have, when we are cleaning this vacuum cleaner with the discards, we should always keep the discard in a separate manner so that it should not mix match with another one. Because when you are cleaning this vacuum cleaner with this discard, it will accumulate the dust as well as the germs also, right? Yes. So that it will not spread anymore. Right? Obviously, we have to keep it separately, yeah? Okay. And keep it in another bin and send it to the laundry, right?
Sure.
We are keeping it outside. Now we will place this back. We will replace it. Then now we will place it back. Now, the main part is the dust bag. This is the dust bag. We will take it out. We will open the hose pipe nozzle. Just scrub it, push it up, and take it out. Now take this dust bag. This dust bag is made out of a cloth. There is a channel over here. Before cleaning this dust bag, take out this channel and put it in the garbage bag so that the dust should not come out. Keep the channel outside. Now open the bag and clean it. Always wear the PPE mask. Right now we are using the mask because of this COVID issue. Yes. But when you are using or cleaning the vacuum cleaner, always wear the mask so that the dust should not come and harm yourself. Right? Yes. Take out all the garbage from the garbage bag. have been taken out. Now take the brushes. This hand brush will help us to remove the extra dust, right?
Yes, sir.
Maybe very waste. So it in the bag. Now again, this is empty. We will close it with the channel. Okay. Now this surface is also should be clean. Okay. Put the brush like this way. Now take one another discard. Spread a little bit of Kydex on the top of the cloth and clean this face plate. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now clean the face plate. And now we clean this inside after vacuum cleaner. Spray a little bit of Kydex on the cloth and we clean it. Now this is the part. This part is over. Now we will place it back again. Take it back and put it in the channel. Push it. Now we will clean this hose pipe. This is the hose pipe and the clean pipe. This hose pipe, there is a nozzle over here. This face, obviously, here with the dust accumulated. If you suck the vacuum, suck any big material with this vacuum cleaner,
Yes,
it will obviously suck over here.
Yes,
You will not get enter. When the vacuum cleaner is making any sound, you will come to know that something has been
Stuck.
something stuck over here, and this you have to open this vacuum cleaner over from here and clear this vacuum hose pipe. Right? Now we will push the brush and give a good clean so that it is empty. Right?
Yes.
Now this is also we will clean the hose pipe with the brushes so that there should not be any material stuck there. Then we will take it back. With this machine. And push it. Okay? Now use to place it there. Now, my demo is over. How to clean the vacuum cleaner.
Yes.
Now, this is your turn to read what you have learned. First of all, I want to know what is the brand of this vacuum cleaner.
Sir, Tusky Aero 15.
Very good. Taro Tusky Aero 15. What do you mean by 15?
15 is mean by how many dust is contained in the garbage bin,
It can.
garbage bag, and
Right.
inside the
Now
the
this
insert.
this soil discard, I have to keep it separately. Now the brushes on the machine, this is all yours. These are the brushes, display and the discard.
Yes.
This belongs to you. Now give me a demo how I have learned you and I have how the vacuum cleaner has to be cleaned.
Okay.
Okay. Now the time is yours. Start. First of all,
we have to open this like that way.
okay. Mm-hmm.
In this area, sir.
Okay. Into that. Okay. Let me hold. Okay. Very good. Now this part.
Clean properly, sir.
Yes. Then.
And after that, we just clean this area.
Okay.
Easily
Mm-hmm.
start over there.
Mm-hmm.
And there is a filter of the vacuum, sir. We have to open this like this way.
Mm-hmm. Right, it is a little bit hard. Slowly, slowly. थोड़ा सा push. Okay, take it out. Now next part is
This one, sir.
see the filter. If you want the surface got black, not one, it has to be clean, right? You hold the rack. This side. Good.
This one is clean, sir.
Okay.
This one also.
Right. After that,
After that, we have to disinfect this area
okay.
by the Pyrex.
We'll take the virus from the. Why we are not spraying directly on the machine?
Because while the vacuum is on,
Okay.
it can suck the chemicals and
Yes, very
it
good.
will be damage the motor.
Machine and motor also, right? So we
This is
should
the-
not spray directly on the machine.
Machine.
We'll keep the chemical on the
On the
discard and
discard
clean
and
it, clean it nicely, right?
Yes.
Very good.
Then take it back, sir.
And place it back. Okay.
This here has dark.
Yes. Now the next part is good. Keep it separately.
And the next part is the bag.
Mm-hmm.
This is the main part of this vacuum, sir.
Push it. Okay. There is a channel over here.
Channel over here, sir.
Okay.
You have to pull it out.
Pull it out. Now take the brush and keep it inside the garbage bag and pull the bag so that the dust should not came out. Always wear the mask and the proper PPE while removing this dust. Because the person who is having the dust allergy, it will create some problem. However, the normal person also, this much of dust should not came outside. Clean the surface.
By the brush.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Take it out.
And finally,
Now?
this is clean.
Mm-hmm. Keep this bag separately.
Yes, sir.
The channel
That has been cleaned, and after that we have to clean the
yes. And
inner surface of the vacuum.
inner body. I was waiting for you. Now, Suri, tell me, after cleaning this
Yes.
part
Yes,
with
sir.
this discard, what we will use with this discard?
It will be sent to
To the laundry
for cleaning
separately.
separately.
So it should not mix much with the another one, right?
Yes, sir. Now this has been cleaned.
Yes, yes.
Now we have to clean this hose pipe.
First pipe. Take it out. Mainly the dust accumulate into the
Into this area.
this face. Push it. Yes. If anything is stuck, it will obviously.
Nothing is inside, sir.
Then the steel pipe.
Just clean.
Now put it back.
Finally,
It's done. Keep these brushes separately. Keep the discard separately. Take this discard also. We have to throw it to
in the laundry.
the laundry. So, before ending, we will recap once again.
Yes, sir.
What is the brand of vacuum cleaner?
Tusky Aero 15, sir.
Tusky Aero 15. 15 means
How much dust
the
will
capacity
make
of
one
the
day?
vacuum cleaner, right?
Yes, sir.
Before starting the vacuum cleaner, what you should keep it in mind? What are the safety measurements?
Safety
Safety measurement means
Mean the plugs also.
plug points,
Plug points.
if it is in well condition or not.
Is it broken?
When you are pushing it in the plug in the socket, it should not give a sparkle or something like that. It sparks. What you should do?
Then we have to immediately call engineering person.
Engineering
They will
person
come.
show it that there is some issues over here and hand over the vacuum cleaner to the particular electrician, right?
Yes, sir.
Then what are the measurements, safety measurements you should wear? You should always wear the
PPE, sir.
PPE,
Like
yes,
mask.
and the mask. Then mask. Obviously, mask, glass we has to wear, and the Virex chemical you should spray it on the
On
top of the
our duster.
duster,
And clean the vacuum.
not directly on the vacuum cleaner, right? And never ever use the vacuum cleaner on the
On the sir.
Wet surface.
Wet surface.
obviously keep it
Yes.
in mind because water makes this machine
The motor become damaged by the
motor
water.
will be damaged if you suck the water in this dry vacuum cleaner, right?
Yes, sir.
So today we are ending this training topic of vacuum cleaner. Namaste.
Namaste.